Yeah, who's ready to party? Yeah, Bog Bear, Bog Bear, Bog Bear. I can't hear you. Whoa, what was that? Ugh, it's my new neighbors being noisy again. Hey, keep it down. A bear's gotta get some shut-eye. All right, back to DJ land. I've had enough. Keep it down.
Stinky Bog Bear, is everything okay? It sounded like you were in trouble.
I am. My new upstairs neighbors are so loud. Every few seconds they're going boom, crash, crackle, and then shaking my whole cave.
I didn't know you had neighbors above you.
They just moved in about, 30 minutes ago, and they're so loud. See? And they broke a water pipe. Look at all that water.
Stinky Bog Bear, you don't have upstairs neighbors. That's called a rainstorm.
Oh, so that's what all the noise and water's about.
Uh-huh. There's a few signs for how we can tell we're in a storm. The clouds are dark and gray, there's thunder and lightning, and there's rain.
You know what? I don't think I like storms very much. I'm gonna go out there and scream at the clouds to stop so I can get back to watching my movie.
Bog Bear, wait! During a storm, we should stay inside and away from the windows. We don't want to get shocked by lightning or get soaking wet from the rain.
Good point. Hey, where does all that rain come from anyways? Is it always in the clouds?
That's a great question. I wonder if anyone knows the answer.
Come on, Mountain Man John. You got this. Just 50 more. Come on.
Hey, Mountain Man John, what are you doing?
Hey, Mountain Boy. I'm training for the Mountain Puddle Triathlon. I'm working on my puddle jumps. Check it out. Pretty cool, right?
Nah, that looks wet.
Well, yeah, that's the best part. How can I help you guys?
We're trying to figure out where rain comes from.
I think it's aliens.
That's a good guess, but the real answer is way cooler. Rain is part of the water cycle, and it all happens right here.
That lake is where rain comes from?
Well, some of it.
Bodies of water, like the ocean, rivers, and this lake, absorb heat from the sun, turning it into water vapor, which rises into the sky. When the vapor cools, it forms clouds. Sometimes the water vapors in the clouds combine and become too heavy to stay in the cloud. When this happens, the water vapor falls to the ground as rain.
So this is the clouds' fault? Oh, I trusted you, clouds. Ah! Now what am I supposed to do?
You can do the Mountain Puddle Triathlon with me. Puddle jumping, puddle running, and puddle swimming. Want to see my backstroke?
This puddle's deeper than I thought.
I've seen better. I give it a 5.
I wonder if there's anything fun we can do inside until the storm passes.
Hi Mountaineers, it's Mountain Melissa. Today we're going to try the Raincloud experiment. What you'll need is water, a clear cup, another clear cup, cotton balls, and push pins. So what we need to do first is take the push pin and poke holes on the bottom of the cup. After you made a lot of holes, what you're going to do is put this cup over the other cup. And now we're going to put a bunch of cotton balls inside. So the cotton balls will act like clouds. And what we're going to do is pour some water onto the clouds. When the clouds get heavy, it'll start to rain. I can't believe it's raining. For the opposite effect, you can put your hands over the clouds and it'll stop the rain. And that's how you can make your own storm clouds inside. Thanks for hanging out. See ya later.
When the wind is blowing strong and the rain is coming on, well, that's the storm, that's the storm, that's the storm, that's the storm. When the clouds are getting dark and the lightning makes a spark, well, that's the storm, that's the storm, that's the storm, that's the storm. If the rain is pouring down and the thunder rocks your town, well, that's the storm, that's the storm, that's the storm, that's the storm. If you can't go out and play 'cause the weather wrecked your day, well, that's the storm, that's the storm, that's the storm, that's the storm. When the wind is blowing strong and the rain is coming on, well, that's the storm, that's the storm, that's the storm, that's the storm. If the clouds are getting dark and the lightning makes a spark, well, that's the storm, that's the storm, that's the storm, that's the storm. Storms aren't fun, but they don't last for long. So tell the bad weather to move along. I said storms aren't fun, but they don't last for long. So tell the bad weather to move along. I said rain, rain, go away, come again another day, but leave some water for the trees, fill the rivers, lakes, and streams. I said rain, rain, go away, come again another day, but leave some water for the trees, fill the rivers, lakes, and streams. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. When the wind is blowing strong and the rain is coming on, well, that's the storm, that's the storm, that's the storm, that's the storm. When the clouds are getting dark and the lightning makes a spark, well, that's the storm, that's the storm, that's the storm, it's just a storm.
You know what I like to do when it's raining outside to stay dry? I like to read a good story. And today I want to read a story from Tall Corgi Tales Volume 1 about a panda who lost his laughs. Did you like that, Bear? Let's check it out.
The Panda Who Lost His Laughs, written by T.C. Littles, illustrated by Flor Itzel Escobar Tolentino. There was once a panda who was born with the gift of giggles. He played with his friends all day and told so many riddles. When he was little, he would laugh and laugh from dusk till dawn, so hard his tummy would hurt and tears would fall. His love for laughs was oh so strong. One day, the panda decided not to play and work all day, focusing so hard on his craft. He forgot how to laugh. He felt so drained. It started to rain. He woke up one day and didn't know what to say, so the laughs decided to run away. "Oh no, I lost my laughs," he said. "Where would they stray?" He loved his laughs and didn't want them to go away, so he packed up his suitcase, flashlight, and some shades. Off he went in search of laughs. He hoped to find them again one day. He climbed the tallest mountain peak, and there were no laughs. He snorkeled through the deepest part of the ocean, and there were no laughs. He hiked the biggest rainforest, and there were no laughs. He sailed to the smallest island, and there were no laughs. He walked through the hottest desert, and there were no laughs. He snowboarded through the coldest place on earth, and there were no laughs. All alone, he didn't know what to do, so he decided to hang out in the playground with his crew. They all asked, "What have you been up to?" He shared how he was so focused on his craft that he lost all of his laughs. "Did you check under the panda?" "Well, that seems like an unbearable problem." "You got bamboozled." They all joked and they all laughed. With a great big smile, they said, "Your laughs didn't run away. You just forgot how to play."